So, foot positioning, back foot like centered on your toe, and your front foot would be like 2-3 inches away from the bolt, so a little bit slanted, like your kick foot position, your front foot and your kick foot. And then so I keep my foot like that. You can see, keep it like not hanging off, but my back part of my foot's hanging off. And then so you wanna pop, and then you wanna kind of jump about, and then slide your front foot up. Right, and then your board, when you pop and jump, your board should pop, jump, and slide. Your board should come up in the air like, and then you should try to land bolts. I mean, if you practice it in the grass, if you need to. I mean, cement is, I learned it on cement, but it should all look like. Right. See you guys on Friday.